So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can amplify a sound in Audacity software. If you don't know, Audacity software is a software in which you can edit the audio like you edit the videos in Premiere Pro. It's a very basic and a professional software which is used for amplifying the audio and modifying the audios as well. So in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can amplify the audio in Audacity software. So all you have to do is to just simply open the Audacity software in your PC. When you open the Audacity software, you can install this software via browser. It's officially an open source software. You can download it from free. So in order to amplify a sound, all you have to do is to just simply click on the option of file at the top left window. When you click on this, you will have to click on the option of open. When you click on this option, a window will open right in front of you from where you can browse and open the file of which you want to amplify the audio. Now for an example, I select an audio like this. The audio has been now imported. Now you can see the graphs of the audio. In order to amplify this audio, all I have to do is to just simply select all of the area of which I want to amplify the audio. If you want to select all the area, just simply hit Ctrl+A in your keyboard and all the source line has been selected. Now you have to go to the option of effect at the top window. You can see just right there, and when you click on this, you will see an option of volume and compression. When you click on this option, you will see an option of amplify just right there. When you click on the option of amplify, a window will open right in front of you from where you can select the amount of amplification you want to do to your audio. For an example, I hit 9 dBm. Currently it is set for automatically, so it has automatically selected the 9 dBm dB of the amplification. When you set it as per your convenience, just you can simply preview that or simply hit apply. Now you can see the graph has been improved and my audio has been amplified, which means the volume of it has been increased. So by this method you can increase the volume of the audio you wanna edit, or you can amplify it. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.